This is our company's first page. At the right corner, you can read our company's full name, which is Intelligent Electric Equipment Co. Limited. And sometimes we will use the factory's name. It's another name to do the transport, the money transport or something. Okay, let's continue. Our city is located at the Sichuan province of Chengdu City. It's a very beautiful city. You get to see the face-changing opera and also the giant Buddha. And we are also the hometown for panda. If you come and visit our city, we will take you to visit a very cute giant panda.
Okay.
Next page. Let me use this screen because it's a bit slow to what I say. Okay, so hi Caesar, is it okay for you to watch this clearly?
Yes, I watch clearly, but
Okay.
I'm really interested in the molds and clamps and those things.
Okay.
We
Molds
can
and
skip a little,
clamps.
is the introduction and go to the business. It's okay for you?
Yes, you want me to do more introduction to the mold and clamps, right?
It's the introduction is really interesting, but um, I want to know prices and shipping time and all these stuffs.
Okay, Caesar, please don't worry. Amber will introduce them in details later. Please wait a moment. Okay, let her introduce this as general situation of our company to you firstly. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so Amber, maybe you proceed quicker than usual. Just a short introduction, and then right back to we can discuss about the work metal. Okay.
Okay, I will try to introduce this very quickly, and then you can talk with them about the clamps and all the earthing accessories.
Great.
Okay, let's start. Uh, Hi, Caesar. This place is Shanghai and Hong Kong, but our city is in the southwest of China. It's the biggest city around here.
Okay.
And this page, okay. So as you saw, our company already founded at 2002. So we already in this world for over 20 years. So you see, we had a lot of anniversary, and we invited the Canada Earthing and Lighting Protection scientific team to come to our company and talk, technically. This is our factory. We produce the carbon steel and earthing accessories, and also some other earthing material such as earthing module or the thermal weld powder. This is labs. We will produce the clamps and other earthing material, and before it goes to your destination, it has to be tested for over and over again. Make sure every pieces are perfect. And we've already got the UL, IEEE, and also the IEC. And this certificate
Yes.
is our National Science Progress Award, which means we are kind of the number one in our earthing industry. Okay, this picture represents all the earthing material we can provide. You see the welding powder. Let me make, sorry, let me,
Bigger. Right.
yeah,
Great.
yeah,
Thanks.
make it bigger. Yeah, we can produce all the earthing accessories, including the clamps and also the copper clad steel and the copper bonded steel rods and earth pits, like everything. We can offer this to you. Okay, this is our welding powder. This is our electronic welding powder. So later, we will show you the two kind of different welding demonstration for you.
It's
Mhm.
ignition.
Yes,
It's
Then
it works with lithium battery or carbon battery.
yes, this will work with lithium battery.
Okay.
yes,
Yes,
The yellow
it's
remote.
it's rechargeable. Yeah.
It's the same.
uh,
Uh,
you mean this yellow? You mean the yellow starter and this one?
Both works with lithium battery.
Yes, both work with lithium battery, and this one is more powerful. We just produced this and launched recently. It's very powerful machine.
it's
Okay.
a new
It looks like a
generation.
drill.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
What's your
it look
what's
like
your question, please?
No, it's like a small drill.
Yes, like Montreal.
And the battery pack, how many volts handle?
You mean how many batteries should we
Four
use?
pieces. Four pieces. Four.
4?
yeah.
How,
And the
im-
voltage,
Uh,
output
uh,
voltage?
You mean how many pieces of batteries it carries, right?
No, this,
The
voltage?
voltage?
the voltage, output voltage.
3.5, 3.7 voltage volts.
um,
You mean
不是吧？
these have
三
4 batteries connected as in serial or parallel?
嗯，
Good question.
怎
We
么
don't get your questions. So you are asking for about the battery, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We
After the meeting, we will send you a file which will specify the batteries. Okay. Later
Okay.
we will share with you the documents, especially illustrate the batteries.
Okay.
yeah. Mhm.
Okay, let me continue.
Excuse me.
Okay. So this is a copper bonded steel. You see we have all different sizes, and we will send them to you by 50 meters or 100 meters of roll, and you can customize the thickness of the copper. You see here, 0.25 to 0.8 millimeters, and it can save at least 30% or 50% compared with a bare copper wire. You can also order this for some major project like substations or oil stations. These
In-
are some earthing clamps.
Yes,
You
I have one question. Yeah. Your main product is exothermic welding powder and the mold. How about the earth rod?
For me,
Yeah. Do you do business with earth rod? Copper bonded earth rod?
not much. We sell,
Um,
we sell copper rods, clamps, and molds, and some power um, charge.
So the project you supply to is the utility project, right? Utility or petroleum, because the grounding wires you're using is pure copper, not copper bonded, right?
Well, we use sometimes copper and another cables like aluminum
Mhm.
and steel.
Okay.
okay.
In the project you are supplying to, is the industry, commercial, power utility, or petroleum for these products you are selling to? You use it in what kind of project?
What kind of projects? It's a
Yes.
good question. Well, uh, we sell these stops or as not for projects.
Mhm.
The projects is another kind of mm, the main business is
Mhm.
sale, not projects.
Eh,
We
oh,
are a smallest retail store,
Uh-huh.
so
Okay.
some clients can buy 10,
Mm-hmm.
100 malls or charge or
Mm-hmm.
roads.
Uh, so you're not just supplying directly to the contractors, right? You may be supplying to some.
Sometimes yes and sometimes no, because
So you
we
actually you don't
resellers.
know what are the actual projects you're supplying to. You just sell products to the buyers, right?
Yeah,
And the user.
The retainers.
cheap. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Amber, please continue.
okay. And Caesar, just now you asked us you want to get to know more about the mode, and I want to tell you before the demonstration, our mode is has way much better quality than all the other brands because our mode we have the certification and then. It can be used for at least 50 times. And according with our statistics, it can be used sometimes over 70 times if you use it correctly. And later we will show you how good quality it is. Okay, these are the earth clamps. I believe you will need this in the copper material, right?
Yes.
Okay, later Joyce will show you more. And these are some intelligent and high-tech project we been launched. Maybe later, after the first part we've been talking about to the Earth part, maybe later on we can talk about more about the lightning warning system, right? It can tell you the lightning before the storm is coming.
Oh.
Yes, it's a new, it's high tech. If you need, we can do next online meeting and introduce you more.
Yeah. Have you ever seen this product in your market,
Yes,
Caesar?
I'm pretty sure. Yes, we sell a brand called Parres. Parres has something
Paris.
like that, but no,
The
no
Paris, right? The
Parres.
Paris.
Uh-huh.
It's the local brand.
Yes, it's a local brand, but
Mm-hmm.
he sells something like this lightning warning system.
Okay.
Mm,
Okay.
okay.
So why? I have a question, Cesar, because I know the Paris they also have the earthing like exothermic welding. So how do you evaluate their products? Because they are local brand.
It's a cheap
This is
brand. It's not they don't have quality.
oh okay.
The
Okay. So the
quality is
quality
very
is not
bad.
is poor. Okay.
Sometimes
Okay.
the clients buy
Mm-hmm.
Paris because it's cheap, and
Mm-hmm.
sometimes they want to raise their incomes and
Okay.
choose that brand, not for good, only for
Mm-hmm. Okay. See.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay,
also
okay.
Kaileka. It's mostly the same thing.
Quality. Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
Kaileka, it's a cheap brand, but mm, I can't want to say. it's a bad brand. It's
Mm.
Mhm.
nearly good, but not good.
We have actually we have heard the same from other customers than in the South America who have used the KOK before. And yeah, the comments is the same like yours.
Uh, I was Joyce. You told me that you sell your brand in Mexico.
Mm, sorry, do you mean we have still something to Mexico?
Uh-huh. You
Yes,
already
we do.
said,
Yes, we have.
have clients in Mexico, no?
Yeah, we have some.
Caesar, Caesar,
Uh-huh.
we have been offering the web metal to Eaton since 2010. So we have been working with them for 12 years. And I believe you know that they have the brand Cooper Crossheim in Mexico.
Cruz Heinz.
Yes,
Okay, they sell ladders and other stuffs.
yes, but they also have the exothermic clothing. I don't know if you know. And we have been working with them for 12 years.
Okay.
This year it should be 13 years.
I'm asking because I want
Mhm.
to buy a mold from you here in Mexico.
Okay. Currently, we don't have. We're not offering modes in the Mexico market because our clients may sometimes they buy the material with metal and they purchase the molds in the local market or they just customize on their own molds. So if you want to try, you can discuss the sample order with Joyce and check our quality.
Okay.
Mhm.
So in Mexico, you only sold your rolls.
With metals, yes, the metals.
Yeah. Something else.
Uh, Currently, it's with metal, and we offer the some accessories and modes. Like in Peru, we have distributor in Peru, in the Ecuador, in Panama.
Okay. Um, I, I,
Mhm.
I am asking this because I want to know how can we import from China
Mhm.
um, the um, the molds and the
Mhm.
accessories.
Have you ever import anything from China before?
Yes, I buy in AliExpress and Taobao, but
Okay.
Wow.
uh, I resell or I'm retailer
Mhm.
electronic stuffs, motherboards,
Mhm.
LCD screens, and in
Mhm.
everything of electronic. But
Okay.
I never buy something like exothermic.
But okay, I see. I see your concern. And so let me tell you, if you already have the import license for any goods, and since you already have imported something from China, it won't be a problem. It won't be any troubles for you to import. And the grounding stuff, the exosome clothing from Sunlight, because we already have very experienced forwarders who can carry this kind of products. And you can use your forwarders or you can also use ours. It's not a problem.
Okay, because the problem is not from China. The problem is in Mexico.
Uh huh.
The
Okay.
authorities here can hold your package for 10,
Mm-hmm.
20 days, 14 days,
Uh-huh.
and they have a declaration the value.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
I see. So
Uh,
I think that's for different products, right?
so if we try to import some
Mm-hmm.
about the exothermic welding, I
Mm-hmm.
or I'm pretty sure we have to lie in the product declaration.
Mm-hmm.
It's not
Yes. We
exothermic
can.
mold. It's
We can.
a box, a
Mm-hmm.
gray box. That's all.
Okay. Just yeah. We can support you. We can do like some declarations from your side. We can help you. Yes, to
And
avoid the problems.
I mean, exactly. And also, it's avoid taxes.
Avoid taxes, and
Yes.
maybe we can declare in your part, in your country, in on the invoice. That is something
Sample.
else, right?
See, another stop, another thing.
Mm.
But can be this can be checked before.
So we make nothing.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. After that, I think we can try a small quantities firstly, okay, and see how it goes. But I'm sure it's not a big problem because we are not only have one customer in Mexico, we have at least two, and they are not having any problems. So we can try in a small quantity firstly.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. Amber,
So
please
let's move
continue.
on.
Uh, what's my answer? Okay. So next high tech intelligent product is this resistance tester. It's also used in oil industry. 这个不好翻译. Okay, so this one is lightning counter. It's color screen version. Okay, let me introduce you about our partners a little bit. So we worked in those industries. So we have customers in our nation for every city, every province. You can buy our product in every city. And here in the international markets, every continent has our partners, has our clients. It's just the amount of the clients is different. Our partners, including a very, uh, very big um,
Uber.
institution like Saudi Electricity Company, Eaton, Ramco, and Hubble, Seagrid, and Huawei, etc., and more partners. Not just this. And you see our electric weld metal has been selling in LPI's website, LPI's in New Zealand store. This is some project picture. They are using the electronic weld powder. And this is the Peru agent. They're selling our products. You see here, mold, weld metal, and we also have some strategic partners in USA. Here, ABB's leader, they've been visiting with us, have the meeting with us. And Harger, we've already took picture with them. And here we visited some distributors in last few years, and they have our products been selling in their country. So we went to their store and visit them. These are the factory inspection. We have our clients to come to our factory to, watch the production scene and also to test the products by themselves. And these are some exhibitions we've been participating in. And this picture is very important because it witnessed the moment we sold to Saudi electricity in a large amount of the project. We sold 1.5 million USD for the earthing rod and clamps per year to them since 2020. And this is the picture we offering goods to Hubble. We sold them 50,000 pieces copper banded ground rod to them. We also put our brands on the earth bar on the earth rod. And this picture is Eden. We offer 15 tons of the exothermic welding powder a year since 2010. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thanks for listening.
Yeah.
Thanks to you.
Caesar, do you have any questions about this part?
No.
Okay. Okay, if so, let's get into the second part. Amber will show you around our factory and do some product tests for you, such as exothermic welding powder you care mostly. Okay?
Right.
Okay.
Can
So,
you
Amber?
give me 5
Yeah.
minutes? I'm running out of battery.
Okay.
Hold on, please. Hold on.
Well, about 10 to 15 minutes. Is that okay?
5 minutes only.
5 minutes.
Okay. We're waiting for
5
you.
minutes.
We'll
Okay.
be waiting for you.
Don't worry. Okay.
因为我先到后面去了哈。你今天搞个美颜，我下次也搞一个，我觉得挺好的。反正我们也不喜欢化妆，这个正好弥补了这个缺陷。没有啊，他就进来他就是美颜状态。哎，美颜，美颜，这是滤镜吗？这是刚懂嘞，我要看一眼。我也想看一眼。我刚刚想调，但是一直没导。哎，你们不要看，我帮你们发图片。对，那我怎么现在又没有了？这里好八卦。我要看圆圆又好看，这个就是那个山。圆圆，你能听到我说话吗？
可以听到，可以听到。
哦，好。
哎，
你要不要先找个阴凉的地方？它不是还有充电吗？
啊，我在这，
先躲一下，太热了外面。
哦。
Hi.
Ashley.
Yeah, it's okay for you, Caesar.
Yes, I go to my home and bring my charger.
Okay.
Thanks.
The Amber,
Okay,
you
let's
can.
continue.
Yeah.
Hi, Cesar. This is our factory. This place is where we work. And let me show you the whole image for our factory. Our factory has like 20,000 square meters large.
It's a big factory.
Yes. We're kind of in the center of the industrial zone. So around in the surroundings, you cannot see some skyscrapers or high tall buildings. There's no. They're all factories in the surroundings. If you come and visit us, we will get our company is very easily to get recognized because you see we have our logo over there.
Okay.
These are the English brands and also the Chinese brands. Okay, let's go to
There is
the office.
another sunlight.
Other Sunlight.
There's only one Sunlight, our brand.
Okay. Because here in Mexico, they sometimes the brands can be stolen and have piracy.
We have Sunlight is only there is only one Sunlight, but we have two complaint names because of the financial policies. We have Sunlight Electrical Manufacturing, and when we also have the Intelligent Agreement Sunlight. So it is all belong to one owner.
Okay.
Yeah.
And next time, if you're interested in the lightning warning system, we can show you the machine and also the software in the screen.
Okay.
This is the office. We're kind of having the very big office over there, and we also have some offices around in these rooms. This is the place where we're doing the importing and exporting files, paper files and also the online files. Let me take you to our demonstration center. So this room is our warehouse, and also a little bit further, we have our packing room. This is our packing room. We will pack your goods in those cartons or the pallets, and also some wooden box or some steel box. You can check if there are any mandatory laws in Mexico to tell you have to use what kind of packages we can customize for you.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the demonstration center. These are the weld metal production things. Okay, let's go to the demonstration center. And I believe our engineer is waiting for us. Okay, we arrived at the place. We're going to show you. I enjoy, you can tell our engineer, Tom.
Okay. Okay.
Hi. These are some customized mold. We have, this mold is very big.
Wow.
Very large. These are some weld metal for 150 numbers weld powder. Those are some old mold with we used. Hi. This is the engineer who is gonna show us the demonstration. He's now
Hi.
wearing the protections.
Okay.
哎，你给客户打个招呼，他都给你嗨。你好，Hello。嘿嘿，嘿，只是你听不到而已。You have to make yourself 100% sure safe. You have to wear all the protections. Otherwise, the reactions could be, some fire will bleed out. But in most of the cases, it's 100% sure, it's 100% safe. But sometimes could have something unsafe happen. So you have to wear all the protections.
Glasses.
It's always a chemical reaction. Yes, glasses, helmet, the gloves, and the outfit, also the shoes.
Yes.
And you have to also have the fire extinguisher over there. So productions can never be too many, can never be too much.
He is preheating the mold.
Yes, he's preheating the mold.
What kind of
You can see
hardware he will use?
Sorry, what do you mean? Sorry. Caesar?
No.
What's your question?
The charge or the hardware. What kind of hardware he will use?
That's reason.
I didn't understand what you say. Can you type the words?
The hardware or the mode has a number.
Oh, the motor power, the motor number. This is 90.
90.
Yes, 90. It's very common number.
And yes.
The mode we're using is just for demonstration, so it's straight collection. And the welding metal we're using is 90 grams.
Okay.
It's CC1. Yeah.
Yes, and this mode we have been used a lot of times. 你知道我们这个模具用了多少次了吗？
You say that your molds can be used 50 times?
Yes, correct.
In the most case, 70?
And Caesar, you can see the one we're using now. Actually, it has been applied for more than 60 times, and it still can be using.
Yes.
So yeah, if you handle it in the proper ways, it can be using more than 100 times. We can say, because we have already experienced that.
Yes, later you can check after being used for so many times what kind of quality it can produce.
Okay.
Later I will show you the weld joint. You can check, is it good enough?
Yes. This time we will show you the traditional exothermic welding powder test here. And then we will try the E+ test for you.
The very subtle design about our welding powder is we put the starting powder in a plastic bag, which can make sure the starting powder to be dry. So it will get very easily ignite when it's arriving at your destination.
It has two kind of pathways, the ignition pathway and the exothermic pathway. I'm okay?
uh, ignition powder in a plastic bag.
Okay.
The welding powder is in this plastic bottle.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, he already puts the metal disc into the mold.
You know, the package we use in this way, it can prevent the humid, the moisture into the welding or starting powders, which may affect the welding joints qualities, and also it may cause the ignition not sought for. You know, sometimes on the side, the poor package, then the installer find it very hard to ignite it the weld metal.
Yes, then there you see all the world metal. They look the same from the pictures or from the surface, but they they are very different because different well powder, different brands, they have different formula. So the formula will make effect to the final result. If the formula is bad, if they didn't get a certification, you can guarantee when the lightning is, when the currency is passing, if the joint is going to work. It's very, very important to take the right formulas. You see, the direction is not very fierce, so it's safe.
Okay.
The jet distance, yeah, is very short. You see, it's only within 150 centimeters. Sometimes it's within 80 centimeters. It's much, much safer than other brands. Now we're opening the mold to show you the joint quality from the surface. We also have the videos to show you the cross section, cut them in half and show you the cross section of the joints. Later on, Joyce can send you one video like that.
Yes.
Hi, this is perfect. This is very, very beautiful, very good
see.
joint. You see, no any burr.
Okay. 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 Yeah, I see.
Yeah, very beautiful joint.
Very good.
Only our well powder, we can ensure that it can pass the very high currency. Okay, now he's cleaning the mold and show you the waiting to show you the electric
This is the
ignition way of the weld metal.
That's the waste of the soldering powder.
Yes, this is the waste.
It's not too much.
Yes. Later, I will show you the ignition powder, electrical ignition powder.
I believe you noticed that the residue of our weld metal is very less than other brands, right? You have tried before, because that is depending of different formulas, which means we have used more copper than other brands, and the residue of the other dust, not the copper, right? It means the quality is much better and formula is different.
The power formula.
The formula is better because our formula contains more copper material.
Okay.
Yes, that's why the residue is less than other brands you have seen.
Yes. The other brands here in Mexico, the formula it's most aluminum.
Aluminum, yeah.
The copper is less than aluminum. So sometimes
that will cost
the joints can be break.
Yeah.
I
Now
see
this,
there, you see here, the ignition is gonna start. All you need to do is to press the button and then reaction finished. It's very quick.
Okay, I can't see.
It just need a few seconds, maybe 5 seconds. It can save a lot of labor cost. If you have customers who want to buy this, you can just introduce them how good they are and how much they can save for the labor cost. And it's safe.
yeah,
Why he
it's
is
very
twisting
fast.
the handle?
Mhm. Sorry,
You
what's
you,
your
you have
question?
seen this kind of thing. Hi, these residuals are much less than the traditional powder. You see, very big point. And you see, these are the residuals of the electric ignition, and this is the traditional power. The residuals of the electric is only like 30%, half of the traditional powder. See.
Okay.
Okay, now we've already finished all the
We have two demonstrations.
tests.
The first was with the manual ignition,
Yeah.
and the second was the electronic ignition. That's right.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
I see from here that the left one is the electronic, and the right one is for the manual.
Traditional one.
But it's
yes,
the same formula from the welding power. Yes.
Yeah.
Formula is the same. Just for the electronic ones, the cup, it's the self-contained and it's made of copper. So it's ignited with the material together during the reactions.
yes.
Yes. This is the E plus cup.
It's a
It's
plastic
made
cup.
of.
Ah,
It's copper cup.
copper.
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 It's made of copper. So this whole cup will join
yes,
the
yes.
reaction
It's the same
totally.
like
Yeah.
Cadwell, no?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
very similar.
But
But Cedar, yeah, and our design is different
Oh,
from Erico's. We have the international patents and US patents for these products. So different reaction, but the performance we have compared with Erico Capwell Plus is much better than Capwell Plus.
Okay.
yeah.
The cup it's um, the cup can be melted with electronic
Yes,
ignition.
Yes, it
yes,
is.
Oh, it's better.
Yeah. Yeah.
yes.
As you know,
And you know,
Eric. Yeah. Yes. As you know, Eric's the cup of the Erico is made of arrow, but ours is made of uh a copper.
Okay.
So the whole cup will join the reaction totally, but Erico's cannot.
Okay.
Yeah.
hi, Cesar.
so
Now
see,
we're showing you the. Oh, okay.
yeah, yeah. So Cedar, they are at the electrical lab for the copper bonded steel. So do you want to have a look today this time, or we can go back and talk about the exothermic welding this time? Maybe next time we will show you the ground rods. Well, what do you think?
Well, first, I want to thank all of you. I'm a little nervous. So I think it's great. I have some questions about delivery.
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 Yes,
Yes.
and
Yes,
and the rods. Your rods can it
Mm.
was made with how many percent of copper? Because here in Mexico they have a copper lamination rod, but
Mm-hmm.
inside it's made with steel.
You mean the copper layers, the copper bonded, the copper layers of the rods, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Uh, the most conventional sizes we sell is 250 to 50 micron copper layers. This is the standard. And the Hubbles and the other, I think, Ericos, and they are all selling the 250, right? 250 micro copper layers.
Your rods are made of iron.
And the inner part is the steel, the carbon steel, and the outer is the bonded copper layers.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Uh, Hi, Cedar. Are we going to show you the copper bonded steel demonstration this time or next time?
Do you want to see the demonstration today, or we today just focus on the exothermic welding?
Can be in another occasion.
Okay.
Okay.
再一次吧，那我们就继续谈那个就是碳粉嘛。Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Amber.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Amber.
Now I'm leaving this demonstration center. Okay, thanks.
So Cedar, and so what the question to you concern is one, it's about the delivery, right? About the delivery.
Yes, delivery of the roads.
Mm-hmm. Delivery of the rods. What's the question? Yeah.
First, every road has a weight,
Yes.
more or less 2 kilograms. About
Yeah. Yeah.
if I want to try some your roads, how do you ship to Mexico? I want to calculate my shipping cost.
How many pieces you are trying to get? You have in mind you want to get how many pieces?
I don't know how's your price for each.
So let's see what's the size of the the rods you want to try. The minimum, I mean the length of the rods you are trying. You want to try.
Okay, I send you in the chat.
Okay, 3 meters. So this is the most commonly used sizes in your market. 3 meters long.
Yes, 3 meters.
3 meters. Normally we are using the steel brace, you know, or the wooden case, wooden pallet, to hold the ground rod. And normally it's 5 pieces per bundle, 5 pieces per bundle, and 600 pieces per cage, the wooden cage. This is our standard packaging.
How many plate? Excuse me.
One plate, for one plate, it's 600. 600. Yes, and the 5 pieces per bundles. Yes, and if you only want to try few samples, probably you may consider to ship it by air. By air. which is 5 pieces, 5 pieces per bundle, a bundle, 5 pieces.
Well, it will be so expensive, no?
And yes, the air shipping is much expensive than sea shipping. But you will use 3 meters actually in the installation, or you just want to see the quality of the rods?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And exothermic powder.
Yes.
Um, I know that you can import explosives or something like that. Um, any explosive can be sent by air, right?
And to Mexico, yes, we can proceed by air, and we have the source that they do not require dangerous packaging, and just it can be shipped as normal cargoes
Okay,
by air. Yes.
okay. So we can have a price list.
Yes, and so maybe may I know what's the annual volumes you purchase on this product, the wet metal? Well, what's your annual consumption, the volume for the wet metal currently?
Mm, híjole. Pues first I want to know the price of the molds. Second,
Mm-hmm.
the rods and the clamps, and
Mm-hmm.
maybe just you send me some pictures about. Excuse me. Oh yeah, we don't have here. Wait, wait. I will send you a picture. This is okay. How can I share with you? How can I share with you a picture?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Yeah, you can share your screen from this the meeting apps. Yeah, so we can see the pictures.
Okay. I see. can see.
No.
No,
Yeah.
No, it's black.
black.
Yeah, yeah, we can see now. Yeah, it's KOK. Yeah. Uh,
Well, we sell this. You can see
mhm,
molds and the clamps and the remote starter.
mhm,
I don't know how can I say the. It's like duxil. I don't know how translate. Also, the manual ignition
mhm.
one. This is the main
Yeah.
products that we sell. So
Mhm.
I want to have another option to offer to our clients.
Yes.
Caraca it has a great quality, but he have some serious problems with delivery time.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
we don't want to wait too much time.
Mhm.
And
So how long normally it takes for you to get the goods from this side? Because USA they have very long delivery time.
look, he opened a factory in Mexico, but the delivery time
Okay.
has sometimes 4 5 weeks for orders to
Mhm.
or 10 molds.
Mhm.
Sometimes the molds has problems with to fit,
Mhm.
and when you want to um, plug the rod and the cable
Yes.
can fit
Yes.
because the
Cannot fit.
exactly the drill the no the hole can
Mhm.
be matched.
Okay, I see. That's maybe some design problem or the quality of the workers is they're not qualified for making some kind of something with the machining, the machine.
Yes,
Yes.
the CNC machine
Uh-huh.
has problems. The made
Okay.
so
So see that you mentioned they have the factories then to make molds only in Mexico or they also manufacture the weld metal there.
he they open a factory. Only the machine
Uh-huh.
can make the molds.
So the metal is from the Spain, right? The metal they have to import from Spain.
I'm not sure. I think
Uh-huh.
it's from Spain.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't hear about the graphite.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, got it. And I like to tell you that our delivery time will depend on the quantity you order. But normally, if the quantity is not very big, the delivery time will just be 3 times, 2 or 4 times, 4 days, 3 days or 4 days. It's very quick. Yeah.
The delivery time it's sometimes a problem because we have to order molds in a specific fabrication. The normal models has 1 week, maybe 2 weeks in fabrication, but the other molds that some client request for us, sometimes they took too much time.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. So it depends, but if you work with Sunlight, you can consider some inventories. For urgent require inquiries, we can arrange the air shipping modes. Normally, I think there are some conventional types of welding, so you can prepare some inventory of mode there um, to fit the customer's urgent need. So it's not that difficult because we already in our factories we have 24 hours shift. If there is very large order quantities, we have 24 hours working shift of the workers here to make sure it won't be delay of customers' demands. No.
Okay.
Peter, and I have one question. Could you please share the price of KLK to us, if it's possible for you?
The price. Oof. We have two price list, but let me see how can share you. Mm, the problem is if you are going to buy a lot of quantity of malts, the price will be less if you buy one or two malts. It depends.
So you are their distributors, or you just you're distributors of KLK? Um,
Distributors.
yes, yes, and they have the. I think they may have the annual target, sales target for you, right? That you have to build some inventory. So what's the request? The amount of the inventory request from them?
For months. Hmm. I don't have the number right now.
Okay.
I can ask. It's okay for you. I can ask the monthly number.
Mhm. So they have how many distributors they have in Mexico market? It's not only one. I believe they have many, right?
Calaca, it's only can be sell from us.
Mhm.
There is
Oh, so you are this
the main.
exclusive distributor, main distributors.
Yes,
Okay.
for now.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
But
The
they have the office in Mexico, right? They have a branch office in Mexico.
recently they open a new um uh sorry I'm
No worries.
uh they open his office in Mexico in Cancun.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
So they will um produce the molds here.
Okay. And their main market is in Mexico, and also they are selling to other North American countries, right?
Sorry, can you repeat the question, please?
I mean, in Mexico, they have a factories, and in this way, they can expand their sales to other South American countries, right?
Yes, I think it's Chile, Peru,
Mm-hmm.
Brazil too.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
I'm not pretty sure that numbers that every country
Mm-hmm.
sell.
Okay.
Here in Mexico, the sale that we made was nearly to 115 dollars.
Mhm. Per year, right? $150 per year for the welds only, exothermic welding only, and the molds.
The molds, also molds.
Okay. So besides KOK, what are the biggest other competitive brands in the Mexico market?
I believe it's Erico.
Mm-hmm.
Híjole. I can say Paris. Paris, it's also
Mm-hmm.
a cheap brand, but
Yeah,
the people in Mexico know Erico and Catwell.
Enrico Capo. Okay. So, but the price is much higher. So I believe it's also higher, maybe 20 or 30% at least than KOK, right?
50%, I think.
50, 50%,
50%.
50 or
Yes.
15?
50.
No, 50.
50. Okay.
50.
It's expensive.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I know Erico, they have higher technical standards than KOK, right? And the UL and IEEE, but I don't think KOK, they have the IEEE. No.
They have only the UL,
UL,
and that's all.
okay. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
I think the reason why Erico is more cover more markets and can sell to the CFE, right? Your electricity complex in Mexico, the CFE, is because they have the IEEE,
Yes,
right?
CFE. It's
CFE.
the main electrical company
Mm-hmm.
supplies energy to all Mexico, but
Yeah.
they request the some standards to
Mm-hmm.
to participate with them.
Yes.
I will share you a statement from
Mm-hmm.
CFA.
So have you ever sold to CFE projects?
Um, Look, work with them. It's a little
Mm-hmm.
risky.
Little tricky?
It's a risk, but
Okay.
they don't pay the stuff that you sell.
Uh-huh. They have long-term payment terms, very tough
Yes,
payment terms.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. They have a lot of problems with products that you can sell. Um,
Mm-hmm.
how can I share you um, a statement?
Mm-hmm.
Like, mm,
I want to share you a file with the CFA and que en KLK.
yeah. Yeah. Yes.
I,
There is a.
I will send you to through
Yeah.
WhatsApp. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
hold on. Joyce. One moment, please. Okay. Okay. This is the statement from CFA. If you want to, your brand can be used with CFA. They
Mm-hmm.
they want to your brand has had to have um, a standard.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It's remember how standard is, but KLA don't
Oh
have.
yeah, LabPam. Yeah, LabPam. I have heard of this.
Okay,
So yes, you
LAPEM,
have to go through the test from
LAPEM,
LabPam.
it's a test of laboratory. No,
Mm-hmm.
laboratory test.
Yes.
Sorry, and they test the molds or everything that can be used by them
Mm-hmm.
is tested first.
Mm-hmm.
And they has a certification from CFA that
Yes.
you can sell your product with
Mm-hmm.
a higher price,
Yeah.
but this certification has a cost, and that cost is a little expensive.
So, do you know, because you are the very important distributor of KOK now, do they have even tried to get the certification from the LAPAM and do some business in CFE?
It's a higher price, and
Okay.
when you have the LAPEM certification, uh,
Mm-hmm.
you have your brand has another value, but
Yes.
the price can be matched because you need to pay to
Mm-hmm.
that certification.
Yes. Okay, I get it. I get it. Okay. Well, another question is that since you already represent KOK and you are considering to try other brand like Sunlight, and so is this a problem with your cooperation with KOK later? Mm-hmm.
Look, the situation with KLK, it's
Mm-hmm.
how can I say, it's a little problematic because they want to have another distributors,
Oh, okay.
so
Uh,
we lose um, the first distribution. uh,
you want to be exclusive, but now they're working with other distributors, the local distributors, so it
yes,
hurts your interests. Yes.
yes,
Okay.
and we need to keep in the market, and this is why we are here.
Mm-hmm.
Know about your brand.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for we start a business relationship.
Yes. Yes. Good. Yeah, we can talk. We can discuss further. And firstly, I think you should try our samples and get more confident, right? And we can start step by step.
Great.
But yeah, from my point of view, and we are very confident that our products, the quality and the service and the production ability is much better than KLK, I believe, because that's why we have a lot of distributors who want to work with us.
Look, KLK is
Yeah.
Mhm.
over value brand. I'm pretty sure that other brands can be good
Mhm.
as them, but
Yeah.
Mhm.
uh, in Mexico it's
Mhm.
a closed market. You don't have many choice. You have Erico,
Mhm.
and KLK, and that's all.
Yes.
Mm.
Mhm.
There is another brands, cheap brands, but the quality of the weld is poor.
Mhm.
It's
The
low.
local brand,
Okay.
right?
Yes, the local
Mhm.
brands.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
The molds are pity.
Mhm.
Okay.
The soldering can be the joints can break if you tap.
Yeah.
You,
Okay.
Okay.
it's not
Yes.
quality.
Yeah. So I really hope you can get some samples as soon as possible because I believe you will be very confident about our product when you see the quality.
Mm, can you repeat me the question, please?
Okay, I mean, I really hope you can get our samples as soon as possible. Because I believe you will be very confident with our product when you see the sample.
Look, I know the factories in China are very good because
Mhm.
I buy something electronic devices and other stuffs
Mhm.
and I don't have any problem. The problem here with our company it's
Mhm.
they don't want to open the market for another mm, for another country. I don't know
Oh,
Mm,
if you understand me.
you mean the boss of your company? He does not
It's
want to work with other companies easily, and he
yes.
needs more confidence.
I want
Yeah.
to present him.
Mhm.
This is the another option,
Yes.
a very good option for me, and
Yeah.
I recommend you that you open your market
yeah,
because if you stay with only one brand, you don't know how or when they want
Yeah.
to say it's over for us and
yeah,
Yeah.
what we are going to sell.
yeah,
Yes. You can target to different customers with different brands, right?
Yes, and I'm pretty sure that your brand is a great brand.
Yes. And sunlight, I yes, it's true that sunlight is not very well known in the international market because we're not promoting our brand in the past 5 years. We just starting to promote our brand internationally in these 3 years. But the brand of Sunlight in China, it's a very famous brand, and we are the biggest one in China and most professional one.
Perfect. I don't know it that you sell the rolls to Hubel.
Yes, we supply to Hubble and Huber. Huber, it's yes, and in US, and we ship to the US warehouse, the warehouse in United States. Yes,
That's good.
and the reason, yes, they are very strict, and they have very strict quality standards for the products and for the package. But we can make it, and we went through the tough and factory inspections. I can tell you it takes about 2 years, but we are the only factory they choose to work from in China.
Great.
Yes.
So what's the next step?
Uh, Joyce?
Okay, sorry. So the next step, we hope you can get samples as soon as possible. And if you are satisfied with them, then we can send distributor agreement with you, and the price for distributor will be much cheaper than normal customer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now can
So
have your price list?
yes, after meeting, I will share you the price list from our site. Yeah.
So if you want, I can um, get the price list from KLK.
Yeah,
Yeah.
please do that.
Yes.
We can
We
share
just
price list.
yes,
Yes.
we just
Please.
need their list price, because I know for distributor they have certain discount from the list price, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you just share us the price list. That's enough.
Okay. Great. We have the 25% of discount from
Oh, okay,
every every order that we place.
okay.
Okay.
You see, from our side, we have discount for distributors, different range, and also we may have rebates for years if you reach certain targets.
Every year the target is how many?
It depends depending on different depending on the your market, different depending on different market. For example, in the Middle East, in in the Saudi Arabia, the distributor they can reach about 50, 500, 500K, $500,000 per year. And so, and the sales target is
500.
500,000, yes, per year.
Yes, but different markets
Different
has
countries.
different targets.
Yes.
So you don't have to worry about it. It
It's
must
not for
be
Mexico.
the targets you can meet, you can reach. Yeah.
Yes.
No worries.
And you know, we have worked with that distributor for at least 5 years. So in the first years, the target is not that much, because it should have been developed step by step, right? Year by year, 1 year, 2 years, and you can reach higher volumes. So we will evaluate. We can negotiate on the target.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And don't worry, we are very interested in the Mexican market. And so I think if you're willing to work with Sunlight, we can be very promising the cooperation, and we will offer you our best support.
If we want to buy the molds and the um,
Fundamental.
no, the molds and the accessories. I mean the
Mm-hmm.
clamps and the brush
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
and I don't know.
The steel shovel, the shovel,
Shovel,
right?
shovel. Yes.
Yeah.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
you can give me a quality certification.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, normally as Amber shows you, we have a certification for weld mental and mold. You know, we can share this certification to you, such as Triple E or UL certs.
And for each, I understand what you mean. For each orders, we have the factory inspection certificates. Yes,
Uh-huh. I
because
mean,
the goods that before shipping, we have a QC department. They will check and they will issue a inspection reports.
hold on, please. I want to share with you a quality. Can you look this screen?
Yeah,
This is the quality certification.
quality certification. Yeah.
And
And this is
what?
from which company? The issue who issued this certificate? It's the seller.
Yes.
What
You
what
have
kind
the
of this
description of the mold.
certification? Yeah, we can see.
This
But
for products above has been made from specific standard techniques. And
This certificate is from KLK, right? The
yes,
factories who made the mold. Okay. Yeah. We can issue this kind of certificate, factory inspection certificates. We have our formats. Our format is different than them, but we have the similar one. To this is the certificate is due to make sure that the quality of the mold is fine before shipment, right?
it's not important, but the clients want to have something that support that what they are get.
Yeah.
okay,
Yes. Understand.
They don't
We can
want
issue that
to buy
kind of
something that
yes.
we don't know how or where will be produced.
Understand. Yeah. We can offer that. It's not a problem. For each shipment, we have the conduct certificate sending to our customers.
Great.
Yes.
okay,
It's a good point for me.
okay. Then do you have any other questions?
No.
Okay, Ashley.
Yeah, I think I'm fine, and really appreciate to see that because it's your weekend, it's evening of your weekend, right? And thank you for your
Yeah.
time.
Yes, very thanks for your time. Have a time have meeting with us today at this time. Yeah.
It was a pleasure.
Yeah. I believe you will send all your information to your boss, right?
Amber?
Yeah.
I should have.
Yes, she's always here. Yes. Caesar, hope.
Yes, I'm just showing here to say goodbye.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks for your time, Caesar.
Thanks to you, girls.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Good.
Good night. Good
Have
night.
a nice evening. Good night. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.